Hey guys, we've got another fundamental motor skill this week, and this time we are looking at running. So if you are in grade prep to grade 2, we're focusing on the technique of running and learning how to do things in the correct way to make our running as efficient and effective as we can. If you're in grade 3 to 6, we're looking at getting more running in, so participation and engagement, and incorporating that into different fundamental motor skills that we've already been learning. So for preps to grade 2, we're looking specifically at technique. Now when you're starting with running, especially if you're looking at sprinting and running a short, sharp distance, we need to do a few things at the start of our run that's going to help us to get that happening as fast as we can. So when we start running, instead of just standing up as tall as we can and then off we go into our run, we need to make sure that we're doing a few things right to get ourselves in position. So what you're going to do is start with your feet facing wherever it is that you're running to, and you're going to take a step forward with your opposite foot. And that's on the get ready position. The next thing we're going to do is lean forward and put the opposite hand out in front of our body. So not the same hand as our front foot, the opposite hand. And that's going to be the get set position. And then the last thing to do is when we say go, we're going to pull this hand here backwards and drive that knee forward. So we're going to go here and then we're going to drive, and that's going to get us in the position or ready to fire away. So how it looks in action. We're going to start here ready to go. We're going to take a step with our opposite foot. We're going to bend down and extend our opposite hand to the front foot. And when we say go, we're going to power off and off we go. And if we get those things right, we're going to be in a position where we can really take off as fast as we can. So just to do it all in one motion, start here, on your marks, set, go, and then off you go. All right, so preps to grade 2, that's what we're focusing on. Grade 3 to 6, we are looking at engagement and participation and getting some more running into our routine. So how we're going to do that is we can go for a run around the oval, and you can lengthen that out into a longer distance by doing a lap around the oval opposed to doing a short, sharp sprint. Or you can use some of the fundamental motor skills that we've been using and incorporate that in the running in as well. So I'll just get my partner to kick me that ball over here. Big kick. All right, if my partner kicks that ball, rather than kicking it to where I am and I just stop and trap it for our kicking fundamental motor skill, if she kicks it over there, I can now run to that and get some extra running in that way. And then I would kick the ball over there and my partner would get some running in as well. So rather than just doing the fundamental motor skills, it's all about putting it all together, so we start linking these skills together and using them as a whole and developing it in a sports environment. So we're not just standing there and throwing, we're not just standing there and kicking, but now we're running into space and creating that game sense approach. So 3s to 6s, give that one a go. In grade 1s to 2s, it's all about technique. So just starting and getting that positioning right to make your running as efficient as you can. Enjoy that one, guys, and let me know how you go.